If the void was real, you could stay there. It's not real. That's why I'm alive today. Go transcend that error. Yeah. So the secret to it was the experience in the snowbank. Because in the snowbank, there was also nonlinear nothingness, no thingness, just an infinite feel, like the radiance of sun, you might say, the radiance of the sun. But one of the most impressive things about this quality of love was its infinite power. Its infinite power. So when we talked about the power of the infinite field of consciousness, the quality of love then, when you reach the ultimate state, the quality of love is profound. It's no thingness, it's nothingness. It's void except for the presence of love, which is overwhelming. And the quality of that love is it's infinitely powerful, exquisitely gentle. It like melts you with its exquisite presence. And its power simultaneously is infinite and like rock. Nobody knows that except somebody who's been there. That is soft and exquisite, and simultaneously its power is like rock. And what do I mean by that? I mean that it's irresistible.
Is that better?
How were your last moments on this planet, okay? You see, everything happens as a consequence of that which they are, as a consequence of that which she is. She automatically does things. As a consequence of that which I am, I automatically do things. I have no say about it. And neither does she. As a consequence, I can't make her wrong because she's not responsible for her own behavior either. She's just being who she is. Wow, thank goodness. I don't know, I would have gotten here today otherwise. This way she's at the door. Oh, okay. Yeah, before a lecture, the state resumes. And so I've had to learn how to be in the world and at the same time in that presence simultaneously. All things are only being that which they are. They can't help being what they are at the moment because as a consequence of that which they were, they are now that which they are. Americans, the Western world doesn't understand karma, unfortunately. Karma is the totality, complete totality of everything that preceded this moment. The last moment was part of the karma of this moment. It's transmitted karmically through genetic inheritance. It's not an accident. You just happen to get born in a certain place or with a certain disability or whatever. Huh? And if you research it, you'll find everybody is what they are as a consequence of that which they were. Huh? They couldn't help being what they were when they were that, nor can they help being what they are now, see? Consequence, there's no point in vilifying everybody because they are only being what they can be at the moment, you know. Yeah, I always say, but hypothetically, they could be different. Could be more peanut butter on the sandwich, you know what I mean?